Hello students, the chapter 1 of your science book, the circulatory system, we have discussed the chapter and we have discussed the exercise also. Now it's time to answer the questions. Question number 4, part A. Explain the structure of the heart. First of all, in your notebook, you have to write down question number A, explain the structure of the heart, and then for its answer, you have to move to page number 9. Page number 9. See, structure is there. The heart has 4 chambers. From here you have to write down the heart has 4 chambers, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. The heart is divided into 2 halves by a thick muscular septum. Each half has an auricle above and a ventricle below. Up to below, you have to write down the answer number 1. Clear? Now move to question number 2. How are arteries different from veins? Then you will write down question B and then for its answer come to page number 8. See, here arteries is given and you have to give the difference between arteries and veins. So what you have to do, you have to write down arteries. Arteries have thick muscular walls. They carry blood away from heart. The blood in arteries is bright red in color as it contains a lot of oxygen. These 3 points you have to write down in arteries. And the 3 points in veins are, move here. So, which 3 points you have to write down in veins? See, veins is written there. They have thin walls. The flow of blood in the veins is towards the heart. Second point. Third point, the blood in veins is darker in color as it does not contain oxygen. This is third part. So these 3 points of arteries and 3 points of veins you have to write down as difference between arteries and veins. Now move to question number C. Name the 3 types of blood cells. Write their functions. We have to write down the 3 types of blood cells and their functions also. Okay. For this, move to page number 8. See. Here it is given blood cells. Blood cells are given. Here it is mainly of 2 types, but it is of 3 types. So the 3 types of blood cells are, from the question you will write down, the 3 types of blood vessels are, number 1 you will write down red blood cells. They contain the pigment hemoglobin that gives red color to the RBC. Okay, up to here you will write down in red blood cell. Next is white blood cell. They defend the body against infections. You will write down this also. Now the third part, move to the third part, that is blood platelets. They are very tiny cells that help to stop bleeding by clotting of blood. Okay, so these are the three blood cells: RBCs, WBCs, and blood platelets along with their function. Now move to next question. Explain the working of the heart and circulation of blood. For working of the heart and circulation of blood, come to page number 9. See, here it is given working of the heart and circulation of the blood. Now you have to write down from here. When both the auricles and ventricles are relaxed, the auricles get filled with blood. Right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body, and left auricle receives oxygenated blood from the lungs by pulmonary veins. Then both auricles contract together and their valves open. Blood from the left auricle comes into the left ventricle and from the right auricle into the right ventricle. So from here to here you have to write down the working of the heart. Okay, clear? Now next question. Write three functions of the blood. Question number E. Three functions of blood for this page number 8. Here it is given function of blood. Blood carries out the following functions. So for the function of blood, see, number 1 point, it provides food and oxygen to every body cell. Point number 2, it removes waste from the cell. And point number 3, it protects the body against infection. As you have to write down 3 points, so write down first point, second point, and fourth point. Now next question. What are capillaries? What are capillaries? You can write down the what are capillaries from here. From here, capillaries are the smallest blood vessels that connect arteries and veins. Okay? You have to write down about the capillaries and you can write it from here. Now, next question. Define heartbeat. So, now move to page number, last page. Now, the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the auricles and ventricles is known as heartbeat. So from here till here, it is the definition for heartbeat. Got it? Okay. Now move to next part. Question answers are completed from A to G. Now Hod's question is there. Which blood cells are called soldiers of the body? So which blood cells are called the soldiers of the body? The answer for this question is white blood cells. White blood cells. So chapter 1 is completed and in the next session we'll start next chapter. And now you have to complete the question answers in your copy. Okay, thank you.